need to fangirl. It's just little old me. Little old Tom. What's up, Hawkeye? Ugh. Something. Get a better screen position next time. Figure. Hey man, what's going on? Yeah. Figure if you never start, and if you're not completely set up, just never do it. We're gonna kill some bosses today. Probably just one. Start this Bloodborne Arcane playthrough because it's gonna take a while. I'm gonna go to the tower. Just relax. Good to hear, man. Relax on a Tuesday night. On the day of work. Keep the cable in mind, Alright. That's what I thought. Better. Alright, how about now, Hawkeye? Do we have a better voice to game ratio, or do I need to go lower on the game? Better? I mean, I got room to go lower. I can go lower. Or Boxy! Okay, speak up. So, okay. I hear you. I hear ya. We'll speak up. Okay. So I have to be like right here.
Yeah. Well, as long as you're doing that, it's
okay.
my end.
All right. I got a audio report. Oh, say it with your chest. Okay, Bacon. All right, I will. I'll say it from my chest. Okay, so we're gonna speak up. We got the mic a little raised. Let me know if I'm too loud now. I got Cinder with some audio reports. I got Hawkeye, Boxy, and Bacon in the chat. You know what? It's already a successful stream, and I haven't done anything yet. So let's go ahead and start this Arcane playthrough. And if anything else is wrong, let me know, and we'll fix it on the fly. Time to die and start the sadness. Exactly. Time to die and start the sadness. Plugged into the wrong audio here. All right. There we go. There we go. Now I can hear the game. We're going to play online. We will blame Cinder for everything. We will blame Cinder for everything. I'm gonna be. Well, I appreciate the lurking cheerleader. You know, I could use one of those in my life. So, thank you, Bacon. And we're gonna go ahead and start a new game here. Pale Blood.
Content! Right, that is fun.
It's after 5, Hawkeye. You're all good. It's better than drinking blood like the Yarnamites here. All right. We're going to get a contract. We're going to get a contract. All right. So we are going to be me because I'm obsessed with myself. So I'm me in every game. Called escapism. Boom, 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 boom. And let's see. Load a favorite. I made this a long time ago on my first Bloodborne playthrough. I was fitter back then, so let's add some heft to this. A little skinny. Build. So we were standard. We're not slim. We're definitely not very slim. Nope. Burly? Are we burly? Barely making it. Or very burly. There we go. It's still, I mean, I guess in Japanese standards, that's very burly. But that's as thick as we're gonna get. So, but we'll take it, right? All right, okay. An origin, cruel fate. Our past sucked, and for some reason, that's gonna make us better at magic. I just look like generic, you know, Van Dyke mustached guy with a ponytail. All right. Oh, I need to try your trick where actually comments. All right, Hawkeye. Lol, Cinder. Just make them white and short. Damn. Generic brown guy is better than generic white guy with with no beard. Alrighty. I've made you Cinder in a few video games. I thought you looked good. Like what's the game? Dragon's Dogma. I feel like my version of you in Dragon's Dogma is pretty good. It got a lot of people like to use that companion and gave it a lot of upvotes. That fucking cuts deep, Hawkeye. It's growing back. Yes, Cinder, it is growing back. Slowly but surely. Alright, so I think we got everything here. We're not young anymore, but are we mature? Is 32 mature? 32 mature. I don't know. I would think like 40 be. I don't know. We'll go with mature. That's fine. Now, lol, no one wants to see your baby face. Oh. Physically, yes. Mentally, nah. Yes, Cinder. Physically, we are mature. Mentally, we are not mature. This is true. All right. But we're gonna go for it. All right. Finish. Wait, is there a voice thing? Oh, there is. Let's see. Oh, my back! Mature. We're not quite aged. We'll go with mature. Okay. All right. I think we're ready to start this playthrough. I'm gonna be 30 in 2.5 more years, and I don't feel like I'm responsible enough or accomplished much in my 20s. You got a beautiful kid, a family, a beautiful wife. What are you complaining? You're doing great. You got a good job. Hawkeye, you're killing it. You're killing it, my friend. Don't be down on yourself. Do not be down on yourself. Hawkeye, you're the best around. I don't have that sound alert, but you know what I'm talking about. That's you. That's you, Hawkeye. All right, we're going to finish this build and jump into Yarnum here. So let's go. Finalize the contract. Oh no, I'm signing my soul away. I just don't want to be 30. I feel you, Hawkeye. I feel you. You're like a whole ass adult, Hawkeye. Hawkeye is a whole ass adult. There's no half-assed about it. I remember my mom turning 30 when I was a kid, so that makes me sad. Oof. Oof. My mom was 30, I think, when she had me. My dad was 40. Mm. Mm. Now, this yarn and blood is like steroids and all the best drugs you've ever had in your life combined all at once. It's some pretty juicy stuff. Pretty juicy stuff. Oh, yes. Give me the blood. Right to my veins. Oh shit, it's a bad trip! It's a bad trip! Ah, what is that? Oh man, this would be horrifying. No, 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 no. Don't touch me. Oh, please don't touch. Oh god. Scene's great. Who saved me? Oh no, what the hell are these? What are you? Why? They're all over me. No! No, 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 no! Ah! 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 Told you. Yarn and blood is like drugs. That is the craziest trip ever. Alright, let's catch up on chat. I know, it just doesn't feel right. Yeah, the turning 30 thing. My mom had me at like 20 or something like that. Oof. It's okay. 30 is scary. Then it passes. Then 40 looks scary as fuck. It gets worse. Let's see. Oh wait. Why is my auto mod Hawkeye's posting? 30th birthday falls on a Saturday. I want to do a dirty 30 white trash party when I turn 30. uh my other best friend besides Cinder, the female version, showed up at my house and gave me a rinky dinky little Nerf gun. She just threw it on the car, and then her and her friends ambushed me with really badass Nerf guns, and that was my 30th birthday party. And that's all I did. But anyways, now we are here in Yosefka's clinic. And even though it's going to give me less stats, I want to see my glorious ponytail. And boy, is it dark. Look around, inspect a note, a handwritten scrawl. Seek pale blood to transcend the hunt. Huh. Who was that note from? More than likely, that was a little note that we wrote to ourselves and had in our pocket before we had that crazy drug trip on the table over there. We're going to open this thing up. And head down the stairs. Let's see. Because this is a Souls game from FromSoft, they throw an enemy in here that's supposed to kill you at the beginning. And I think you're supposed to be able to sneak up on him, but I can never pull that off. Oh, I didn't. Nope, no, I didn't. Okay. So I have no weapons. Ooh! Am I gonna die? Why'd you go so far? I'm boxing with a werewolf. It's not the greatest idea. Damn it. And I did die. All right. Miyazaki got me. Miyazaki got me. I'm not that good at this game. So you are supposed to die there, but I thought, being an expert, that I would kill him. But I did not. Not that much of an expert. Wake up in the hunter's dream. All right. Plan goes the way we want. My wife will be like 7 months pregnant when I turn 30. So I told her if we have this party, she has to wear cutoff shirts, open flannel, and a white tank top. Her hair with empty beer cans for rollers, and a pack of cigs in her flannel pocket. That's pretty great, Hawkeye. I can never sneak up on him. Proceeds to run near him. Oh, fuck. All right. Abandoned doll. What are you doing here? Okay. Well, the messengers offer you a trick weapon, so we got a choice of the saw cleaver, the hunter axe, and the threaded cane. If you want to be objective in terms of power and stats and a really good R2, the hunter's axe is probably the strongest weapon. The saw cleaver is the best all-around weapon stats-wise, but the real best weapon is the threaded cane. All right. We'll take the hunter's pistol. And notebook. Alrighty. So we'll equip threaded cane, the hunter pistol. All right, we're gonna go back for round 2 now. Beat him to death with our pimp cane. I'm a pimp named Slickback. For all you Boondocks fans out there. How are all my volume levels game-wise and stuff now that we did some adjusting? I'm not talking about the Boondock Saints. I'm talking about the Boondocks, the animated series. But they're both great for completely different reasons. Awesome. Awesome. And the game volume is loud enough for everyone to hear? Hopefully. So now we're in the clinic. Will she talk to us? Yes. We'll talk to the lovely Yosefka. I guess so. I signed a contract. Why not? Yosefka's blood vial. Oh, can't hear the game. At all? Oh. Oh. Yeah, there is no. Well, dang it. What is going on? That is some chicanery. Told you it's fault. Let's see. Huh. Streaming. Technology. ¿Por qué? Playing from the game. Nothing. Nothing. Try switch and see. Back. Forward. Property. Huh. I am the only thing being captured. Why is that? But this is on the capture card. Well. You're the IT guy. Well, undo. I am literally going to wiggle the cables. That's where I'm at right now. And still nothing. Okay. I mute the. Cinder, go fix it, lol. Well, thanks for that, Cinder. Have fun at the gym. The Gime. Oh, the Gime.
Epson. Stuck.
uh,
Oh
let's use custom audio device. Cinder is sabotaging my stream so I won't outshine him. Man, Hawkeye's ratting you out. Hawkeye is ratting you out. So when did the sound go out? I go back to the beginning. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. We're gonna try one more thing here. Honestly, I don't know. I try to focus. Hawkeye's not here for the gameplay. He's here for friendship. I literally feel like this is one of those things that's going to be fixed with a computer restart, which is not ideal while streaming. but I do have an SSD, so it won't be that long. I definitely don't watch Cinder for the game he plays. You don't watch for all that easy mode Resident Evil gameplay? Ooh, I said it. I said the thing. I said the thing. You don't like Stardew Valley? If I played on hard, I'd punch this expensive computer. Same. I don't think Cinder was the biggest fan of Stardew Valley as well. So that game he was playing yesterday looked like fun, but like neat and like relaxing. I play all my games on easy. If not, it would look like I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. Well, you don't want to stick around, I understand, but I am going to do a PC restart because I'm pretty sure that'll fix my problem. If you're here when I turn back on, sweet. If not, I understand. Thanks for being here. This time, I have an SSD, so hopefully it's not going to be too long, but we're going to start that process right now. So, see you after the jump. Awesome. I'll see you, Hawkeye.